Morning, guys. I'm going to go over the back of your test review with you really quick. If you want to follow along, I would highly recommend at least check to make sure that you did it correctly if you have it finished. If you have no idea what's going on, this would be very helpful for you as well. So these right here are your instructions of what you are going to be filling in for the check register. You will see one of these on your test, so this is a great example of how it will look on your test as well. All right, so we're just going to do a couple together, and then you can check the rest with the information I'm giving you. All right, so number one, your starting balance in your checking account is $200, which we can see right here. So this is what you have in your account as of right now. So first thing says deposit June's paycheck on June 14th for $400. So date, I'm going to write June 14. Number, we are making a deposit. Deposit is DEP for the number. If this was a debit card transaction, I would write DC. If I was writing a check, I would write the check number. If I was using an ATM, I would write ATM. Description, I'm going to write deposit. And for my memo, I'm going to write paycheck. Now, I am not making a payment, I am depositing a paycheck. So I am making a deposit, adding money to my account. So I'm going to add that right here, and that was $400.00. I'm going to drag that over and write that under my 200. And so the only things I should have on this highlighted line are my memo and my new balance in my account. I just added $400. I deposited it into my account. So my new balance should be $600. The next, so I'm just going to cross it off because I already did those. Next one is bought groceries at Meijer on June 14th with a check 301 for $100. So my date, I am going to write June 14. And I bought groceries. How did I buy the groceries? I bought them with a check, and I'm going to write the check number 301. Here I'm going to write Meijer. And for my memo, I'm going to write groceries. If you want to like write food or something too, that's fine. Now I am buying the groceries, so I'm making a payment. They are not paying me. I am paying them. So how much am I paying them? $100. I'm going to drag that over. And the only things I should have on my highlighted line here are my memo, what I spent the money on, and my new balance in my account. I had $600, I just spent $100. That means my new total is $500. Okay, we'll do one more together, and then we'll be done. Before going out to lunch, you went to the ATM and withdrew $30 on June 17. So date, June 17. How am I spending the money? I took it out with the ATM. And you can write cash if you want to. And you can write cash again as the memo. I took money out of my account. So that is basically a payment. And that is going to be for $30. I'm going to bring that $30 over here and write my new balance in my account, which should be $470. And you'll just keep going down. If you have any questions on this, please ask them on Google Classroom, and I'll respond to you by tonight or whenever I have free time today. But this is how you'll do the check register. It'll look just like this on your test. If you have questions, please let me know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.